Hello, in the past, ransomware attacks may have been espionage-driven. However, ransomware and attacks involving stolen credentials are becoming much more common. In 2022, manufacturing will be the most frequently targeted sector for ransomware attacks. Despite this, however, many manufacturing companies are not yet prepared to handle an attack. According to Security Scorecard, 48% of the manufacturing companies scored a C, D, or F in security according to security data analyzed by Wartime Intelligence, indicating that many manufacturers fail to protect their intellectual property and trade secrets due to inadequate protection.Wartime. IoT Insights reports that manufacturing was the most commonly targeted sector during the first quarter of 2022. This report also predicts an 87% increase in ransomware attacks from the previous year. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.